Hey there, everyone, and welcome to the channel. As always, thanks for stopping by to hang out for a few. My name is Rich Charpentier, and I'm the channel host. And today we're going to talk about some fake drone jobs that have been popping into my email box, even from legitimate locations. So, a couple of weeks ago, I got an email Labor Day weekend from droners.io, which is a very legitimate job site for drone pilots. So, if you're interested in getting your first jobs, with your drone, droners.io is a great one. Also, DBase is another good one. There's basically a bunch of good drone aggregation services out there where people go on to the sites, they request a drone pilot, the drone pilots get to bid on the job, and then someone gets awarded the bid and they go do the job. So for people who are still new to getting drone jobs, these are great ways to do it. And so for Labor Day weekend, I had gotten an email from droners.io, and there were some concerning things with the particular job posting. So the job was close by and looked like a good one for me, and I said, "Hey, I'll sign up for it." But then it got a little weird, and this is not because of droners.io. And I actually did a video about this right after getting this because I did some research and found out um, what was going on. But I wanted to make sure that I'm not naming names or picking on people or impacting their businesses. And in the last video, I didn't black out some names. So I'm redoing the video today because I got another fake drone request recently. But I thought this one is a really great example. So I'm going to look over at the screen here. So what we're looking at is a screen capture from my email. And so so a new job matching your criteria. Once again, this isn't droners.io's fault. This is someone trying to manipulate their system. So I had this new job, an easy real estate job, one lot with three small builds. I think we meant buildings. Okay. Easy real estate job, one lot, three small builds. We need photos with auto exposure bracketing of three. That's it of the lot and the three buildings. We get a lot of work in the area, and we're looking for works. That was a little weird too. And so I hid the name of the person who is posting this, but I decided to go ahead and click on it over Labor Day weekend because it would be a fun, quick job, give me a reason to take a ride down to Peoples Valley, Arizona. And when I went to the bid page on droners.io, I found something a little different that caught my attention. So once again, I blacked out some stuff so that we're not naming names or anything. So I did submit my bid, and then it says bid submitted. Make sure the client accepts the bid before you do the work. This will ensure prompt payment. If a client has agreed to hire you but hasn't accepted your bid, you can politely ask them to accept the bid. Pretty cool. And then droners.io, it's against their terms of service to obtain this work off platform. So what that means is if the person that you're talking to says, "Hey, let's just call each other directly and we can cut a deal and we can cut droners.io out of the middle, saving us some money and getting you some more money." That's what they're trying to avoid. And it's completely reasonable. If droners.io brings you a real client that you wouldn't have gotten otherwise, you do need to give them their percentage. That's legitimate. So we need to be good too and not try to game the system. But here's what got me. So that email had that listing. What was added to the listing after I got the email, so the person who created this listing went in and edited their listing a little bit. Didn't show up in my email. You most be a member of Professional Drone Association. I've actually blocked out the web link. So when I submitted my bid and I read on the droners.io website, the person who was looking for the drone pilot, they weren't looking for a drone pilot, by the way, they said that you must be a member of this association that they deal with. So I went ahead and I clicked and I followed the link to the website that's blacked out on here. And you don't need to go searching for them. We're not trying to out anyone. I'm trying to advise you, other drone pilots who come here, to watch out, because sometimes some of these jobs aren't what they appear to be, and it's no fault of the platform. So this particular poster adds a web link and is trying to make you sign up for their service. Okay, So I went and checked out their website. The website copyright date said that it was created in 2014. It wasn't. The website wasn't registered till late 2018. It's had no traffic until a couple of months ago, I think, when they started advertising themselves to droners looking for work. So the website they were directing me to is a website where they wanted me to sign up. And right on the website, right at the bottom, it was developed with ClickFunnels. They're trying to get you create a ClickFunnel to get your email address, to get your information. And who knows what they're going to do with it? Maybe they're just building their own drone referral system, in which case, it might not be terrible. But in the end, the job that they were offering using a legitimate service is not a real job. They're using it to get to the drone pilots, to get to uh, Droners.io's pile or pool, I should say, their pool of pilots. Sorry, I can't talk today. This was really aggravating to me. So they're trying to get you to sign up for their service. Now, with that said, I got another recent email. I'm not going to pop that one up, from someone who came directly to my website, said that they had a drone opportunity for me and that I should get back to them and go check out their website. So I went ahead and emailed them back after they initially got in touch. I also made a voice call to their representative, and I left her a long message to let her know what we do and don't do, and that they could get in touch. And I checked out their website, and it was another drone aggregation service, and they wanted me to sign up for their service, and then they would send me referrals. So similar model to all these other drone referral services. But the actual contact to me wasn't really for a job. There was no urgency about it, because they never got back at all. I didn't call you, you called me, you know what I mean? Or I didn't email you, you emailed me, then I responded. And when I did get to their voicemail, the voicemail did say, sign up with our service today and, we'll represent you. So there are people out there who are trying to take advantage of the new pilots, whether it be building their own mailing list that they can sell to someone else, or maybe they're legitimately building their business. Whatever it is, as a new drone professional, I would suggest read these very closely. Pay very careful attention to what they're asking you to do, and go with the services that we all know are legitimate. Droners.io has sent me a lot of great job leads. They are a very legitimate company. They do a nice job. They're one of the ones that stand out as a positive. In the example from today, clearly somebody was trying to game their system. And yes, before you ask it, I did contact Droners.io. I gave them the bid information. I gave them the person's name, and I let them know all about that. As of today, we're here in October now. That job was supposed to be for October 2nd. The person never accepted anyone's bids, and it's because it wasn't legit. It was just a lead funnel for that person. So, once again, not picking on Droners.io. This is just a great example, but you need to pay attention when you're getting solicitations as a drone pilot for your business, to make sure that these are legitimate inquiries and these people aren't wasting your time or just trying to get you to sign up for yet another service. And so that's why it really aggravated me. And I wanted to share this with you guys, but I did want to hide some of the stuff, because I don't want to pick at anybody or pick at any other websites. But I think you can see as well, pretty clear cut, what the intention was. This person put up a job listing and then says, you've got to be part of their organization. The moment that you read that, I'm going away from it. I'm already part of an organization. I signed up with Droners.io, and they're sending me drone job leads. I don't need to then sign up to your service as well. And I don't think that Droners.io would appreciate somebody using their service like that. All right, so a little hot under the collar with that one, but at least I didn't show everything this time. Let me know what you think. Have you gotten any of these fake drone jobs, these requests for something, and then you got to sign up to yet another group or another group or another group? When does it end? How many places do you need to sign up? Personally, I'm only signed up with a couple, and they're ones that have been around for a while and who have clearly been doing a good job. and other drone pilots really appreciate working with them. So don't let it scare you off, but read things closely, and one of those buyer beware, drone pilot beware. All right, everyone, have a great rest of the day, and we'll see you again really soon.